In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Xero QR code. Whether you're new to Xero or need a refresher on enhancing your account's security, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of setting up and accessing your QR code with Xero Verify, ensuring a secure login process. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, head over to the Xero website. It's crucial to start by navigating to their official platform. Once you're on their homepage, you'll notice various features and options, but for now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll find the Login button. Click on it to proceed. This step is fundamental as it will lead you to the gateway of your personal or business accounts. After clicking on Login, the next screen will prompt you to enter your credentials. These include your email and password associated with your Xero account. Take a moment to accurately type these details. Remember, ensuring the correctness of your login information is critical to accessing your account without any hitches. Following the input of your email and password, it's time to log in. Simply click the Login button to access your Xero dashboard. Successfully logging in is a satisfying step, as it greets you with the various functionalities and insights Xero offers to manage your finances effectively. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate further. Look for your profile picture. In most cases, it's situated near the top right corner of your screen, a personal touch in the vast world of numbers and reports. Clicking on your profile picture reveals a drop-down menu, a pathway to more personalized settings and options within Xero. From the drop-down menu, you're to select the Account option. This takes you closer to the heart of your account settings, where various adjustments can be made to tailor your Xero experience to your needs and preferences. The account section is where the foundation for many of your account's security measures is laid. Among the listed options, find and click on Setup. This is a gateway to enhancing your account's security through additional features. Xero places a strong emphasis on security, recognizing its importance in today's digital age, making this step essential. Upon selecting Setup, you're ushered into the realm of security enhancements, specifically to the page where you can enable two-factor authentication. Here you'll find the option to use Xero Verify. Two-factor authentication is a robust security measure that adds an extra layer of protection to your account, and Xero Verify is designed to make this process smooth and effective. Clicking on Use Xero Verify takes you to the practical step of setting it up. This involves scanning a QR code, which is a quick and efficient method to link your account with the Xero Verify app on your mobile device. It's a critical step as it binds your account to a physical device that you control, greatly enhancing your account's security. Scanning your QR code is simplified with on-screen instructions. Open the Xero Verify app on your mobile device and use it to scan the QR code displayed on your screen. This action establishes a secure connection between your Xero account and your mobile device, finalizing the setup of two-factor authentication. Congratulations! You've now taken a significant step towards enhancing your Xero account security by setting up and accessing your QR code via the Xero Verify app. Two-factor authentication is a powerful tool in safeguarding your financial information and transactions, giving you peace of mind. A few parting tips: remember to keep your Xero Verify app secured and your login credentials confidential. Regularly updating your password and ensuring unique passwords for different platforms further fortifies your account against unauthorized access. By following these steps, not only have you secured your account, but you've also familiarized yourself with navigating through Xero's settings and preferences. This knowledge is invaluable for leveraging Xero's full potential in managing your finances securely and efficiently. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to get your Xero QR code. Stay secure and make the most out of your Xero experience.